I'm about to do some weighted pull-ups and weighted dips. If you want to build a really strong back, this is the belt that you got to get. This is by Jupiter. So this is what the belt looks like. And look, the chain on here is powder coated black. Really nice strong chain. They give you 2 hookup points. So we've got a hookup point there or here on each side. I have mine in the front. So it hangs without pulling these in. It doesn't pull. This chain does not pull in on my waist. One. Fantastic for building the chest, guys. Come on. I just got out of the gym. It was really busy in there, so I wanted to have a chance to really explain a little bit more about this. So this is an up close, and I'm telling you, when you saw me doing those weighted dips and the weighted pull-ups, the biggest difference between this belt and the other belt at the gym, like I said, is that this is going to Velcro shut around the waist. It keeps the chain anchored onto the hips. That's the biggest difference between this belt and some of the other ones out there. Chain's super strong, like I said. It's got this black powder coated finish on it. I can't recommend this one enough. They did a great job. Now, they did send this to me in exchange for my honest opinion, and as you see, I'm using it in my regular workout. So definitely pick this one up. Check it out. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.